So guys, today we're working on this Subaru RX, and what we're gonna do is remove and replace our O-ring. So the outside O-ring on this compressor is leaking, so we're just gonna pull it off, install a new one. You can see that the O-ring is very flat. Just gonna take off the old one. You can see very flat, and this is a new one that we're gonna install. You can see with the difference between the new one and the old one. You can see the old one flat around the edge and the new one is very round. So we realize that the next O-ring is leaking. You can hear it. So we're gonna change a low side O-ring as well. So the O-ring is flat on the edge just like the other one, so we're gonna change it. Low side O-ring, new and used. The black one is the one that we take off, and the purple one is the one that we're gonna install. So you see the difference again. Black one is very flat.
You left before you.
So we're gonna pressurize the system and just check for leak. So if a leak there, it will bubble because we're using soap water. Checking the system. There's no more leak on the system, so we're gonna start the engine and regas the system. AC is on the compressor engage, so we're just gonna gas the system now. AC is running cold. AC is blowing cold. So that's it guys.